Alright, another how-to video. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helps you out. Getting ready to sharpen the blade on my buddy's lawnmower. I did a video last year of me fixing it because it wouldn't start. So this is, I guess, a follow-up video. He wants the blade sharpened. So I'm going to get underneath it, clean it up, get the blade off, and file sharpen it. Since I'm doing this, I'm going to pull the spark plug just to be safe. If I can get my hands on it, assuming that's it right there. Yep. I might as well clean it up too. It don't look too bad. We'll still clean it up. This is the air filter. Clips here. I'll clean that up. Looks like a Fram. Little funky stuff right there. Now I need to look underneath of it. Oh yeah, it's all caked up. Blade's beat up pretty bad too. Looks like he hit something. No, it's not too bad, it's just grass. So I gotta get this to stay in this position and take my trusty putty knife. Might as well do it right. Clean all this gunk off here, and then pull the blade, which looks like it's just one nut. Spray some PBR blaster on that. So I gotta figure out how to keep this thing in this position. So I'll be right back. That's good enough. Calling for a storm today. Just got a text on my phone. So the probability of it raining right in the middle of doing this is very high because it just got real calm. To be honest, don't know how this thing was even cutting with the amount of grass that I'm pulling out from underneath of it. Nope. I can't find anywhere to pry this, so I'm gonna go the old-fashioned way. Hopefully I won't lose any fingers. Oh, that's coming right off. Probably could have used a socket. Okay. To my vise. Let's start with this bigger file. That there is a rock or a root that hit that. So there's that. This part looks like it's fine compared to this side. Actually, I don't think it needs. That's fine. It's just these ends. This is side 2. No ring yet. Blade sprayed off. This goes back together like this. Bolt this plate. There's a little star in there that it actually seeds in. Do is tighten with my 5/8 wrench. Looks like felt like there's a little Loctite on there. Okay, so that's done. Got a 5-gallon bucket full of grass, which I think was probably the main problem. This thing has got a ton of threads on it. Got to be the longest threaded spark plug of all time. That's tightened up. Got a little water in there when I was spraying. She looks good now. That's secured. Okay, I guess I have to fire it up to do a test. hit the like and subscribe button if this video helped you out.